Okay, we're gonna shake it up a little bit. We're gonna do a paint out with the new Cobalt Teal PG50 Totally Extinct, which we ground up. We used up all the powder, made it into dispersion. What am I shaking up? Oh yeah, we're gonna paint it out in oil because we just tried it and it looks really good.
It does look really good.
Oil and cold wax.
Cold wax.
Here it is in
oil.
the silica flat, which is what we usually do. It's nice and dried. Okay, but here we go. Right now I got my stand oil, linseed stand oil over here. I'm gonna just put a little squirt in there. Okay. Mix it up with my palette knife. Looks good.
Oh, it looks real good.
Looks real good.
It goes right in.
It goes right in. Check it out. Nice. Okay, so now that's going to be, of course, like more fluid than a tube oil paint, but you can always add some cold wax medium in there to give it more body, because that works too. See? There it is in the cold wax over there.
That's nice.
All right, but we're going to do live stream. Here we go.
Live stream.
Yeah, okay. This is just the Cobalt Teal. Ooh.
That's a beautiful color.
Cobalt Teal and stand oil.
Okay. It looks fabulous.
Nice. Okay. Moving on. We got some cold wax medium here. Gonna do some Cobalt Teal in my cold wax medium. It also goes right in.
Sure does.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta use your palette knife to smooth it in there. Get it evenly dispersed, as it were. Disperse your dispersion into your cold wax. I'm gonna get a little bit over here.
Yeah, it's like
It's very creamy, buttery.
that is pretty creepy.
Yeah, this material is pretty cool. Okay, well there's that. Ooh,
That is pretty creamy and buttery.
yeah. And then, for the heck of it, we'll mix the two together. Some nice undertone, mass tone. Cobalts are, of course, a very opaque pigment. Okay, I'm gonna scrape in.
So
Well, actually,
very
I'll
nice.
I don't have much oil left, so I'm gonna put a little cold wax into my oil, mix them together. And do that. So this is a way of giving a little more body to your homemade oil paint. So easy. And will save you a fortune.
Oh yeah, you think it would save you money?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Ooh, so buttery. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Very nice. All right.
All right.
Cool.
This is like the alternative universe of Garrett Paint. Demoing oil paint.
Oh.
It goes in though.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
right.
God, that's gorgeous.
It is beautiful.
Woo!
All right, man.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.